Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step formula I use to get more views on my videos. So by the end of this session, you'll have a clear plan to implement immediately. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the end video. So please don't skip this video.
History of Euro coins. Introduction of the Euro. The Euro was officially introduced as an electronic currency for financial transactions on January 1st, 1999. Physical circulation, Euro banknotes and coins, including the Euro cent coins, entered physical circulation on January 1st, 2002. In participating European Union countries. Symbol of integration. The adoption of the Euro marked a significant step in the economic integration of Europe and the establishment of the Economic and Monetary Union, EMU. Design features. Common sides. The common sides of the 8 Euro coins feature different designs. The 5, 2, and 1 cent coins show Europe in relation to Africa and Asia on a globe. National sides. Unlike Euro banknotes, Euro coins have national designs on their reverse sides, allowing each member state to showcase its cultural identity. For example, Austrian Euro coins feature themes of flowers, architecture, and famous people, while Portuguese coins depict castles and coats of arms. Technical characteristics. The 1, 2, and 5 cent coins are notably copper-colored. The 5 Euro cent coin is one of the smaller denominations of the euro, introduced with the single European currency in 2002, with its copper-plated steel composition and distinctive reddish color. The coin is part of the Euro cent series 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, and 50 cents. Designed to make everyday transactions practical and unified across the eurozone. Despite being small in value, the 5 cent coin carries significant historical, economic, and symbolic importance as part of the European Union's monetary identity. Origins of the euro. The euro currency was conceived in the Maastricht Treaty, 1992, which established the roadmap for European Monetary Union, EMU. After years of planning, the euro was introduced in non-physical form, bank transfers, accounting, financial markets, on the 1st of January, 1999. Euro banknotes and coins, including the 5 cent coin, officially entered circulation on the 1st of January, 2002. This event marked one of the largest currency transitions in history, replacing national currencies such as the French franc, German mark, Italian lira, Spanish peseta, and others. Design of the 5 Euro cent. The design of the euro coins is a combination of common European sides and national sides. Common side, reverse, designed by Luycx, a Belgian artist at the Royal Belgian Mint, shows the European Union as a globe, with the 5 cent coin depicting Europe in relation to Africa and Asia, symbolizing Europe's place in the world economy. The design includes 6 straight lines with 12 stars, representing unity among the EU member states. The denomination 5 Euro cent is clearly marked. National side, obverse. Each eurozone country designs its own national side. Examples. Germany, oak twig, symbol of stability and continuity, recalling the pfennig. Ireland, harp, traditional Irish symbol. France, a young Marianne, symbol of liberty. Spain, portrait of King Juan Carlos I, later Felipe VI. Italy, famous architectural or cultural motifs. Although national sides differ, all are valid throughout the eurozone. Composition and physical features. Material, copper-plated steel, steel core for durability. Copper coating for color. Weight, 3.92 grams. Diameter, 21.25 millimeters. Thickness, 1.67 millimeters. Edge, smooth, unlike larger denominations that have milled edges. This composition gives the 5 cent coin its reddish-orange appearance, similar to the 1 and 2 cent coins. Historical development. 2002. Official circulation begins. On January 1st, 2002, the 5 cent coin was introduced across 12 original Eurozone countries. Immediately, it replaced small national coins, like 5 pfennig in Germany, 5 lire in Italy, 5 pesetas in Spain. 2004 to 2007, enlargement of the eurozone. As new countries joined the eurozone, they began issuing their own national designs of the 5-cent coin. Examples: Slovenia, 2007. Cyprus and Malta, 2008. Slovakia, 2009, etc. 2010s, production and usage debates. Some EU countries, like Finland, the Netherlands, and Ireland, began reducing the use of 1 and 2 cent coins due to low value and high production cost, but 5-cent coins remained in circulation as useful for pricing, e.g., 95 cents, €1, and 5 cents. 2020s, current status. The 5-cent coin remains in common use across Europe. It is especially important in retail pricing, vending machines, and small transactions. The European Commission has debated the future of low-value coins, but 5 cents is considered essential compared to 1 and 2 cents. Cultural and economic importance. The coin reflects European integration, as millions of people from different countries use the same coin daily. The national sides allow countries to maintain their cultural identity while participating in a shared currency. Collectors often seek to gather all different national versions of the 5-cent coin, making it a popular coin among numismatists. Interesting facts. 1. Magnetic property. Because of its steel core, the 5-cent coin is magnetic, unlike higher-value euro coins. 2. Similarities with other coins, sometimes confused with non-euro coins of similar size, like US penny or Turkish kuruş. 3. Circulation numbers. Billions of 5-cent coins have been minted since 2002, making it one of the most common euro coins. 4. Symbolism. Its global map design emphasizes Europe's outward-looking economy and role in globalization. Conclusion. The 5-euro-cent coin may be small in denomination, but it carries a large historical and cultural weight. Since its introduction in 2002, it has symbolized European unity, practicality in daily transactions, and the balance between shared identity and national traditions. Its reddish color, widespread circulation, and role in European commerce ensure that the 5-cent coin remains a vital part of the euro monetary system.